Improving output of your current brewhouse lauter. Of all the brewhouse vessels, the lauter ton is generally the longest residence time and presents greater challenges for time savings. Bed loading, grist spectrum, grind, uniform distribution of the mash, design of the raking machine, work collection system and false bottom, all play their part in achieving the goals. And while not easy, can be handled when starting with a clean sheet of paper. Certain things that can be considered with an existing installation. Check condition of the false bottom. Excessive radial and circumferential gaps between the plates will allow solids migration into the wort stream, which is detrimental to quality, time and efficiency. A large underplate void. If one exists, it could impact extraction efficiency. Rake design and density. This affects wort collection time and extraction efficiency. Number of wort runoff points in the collection header, if not balanced or sized correctly, affect time and efficiency. Variable speed rakes, with the ability to be raised and lowered, will only serve to enhance quality, time and efficiency.